Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video and welcome. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell below. But I want to go ahead and jump right on into this video. So today is going to be some Dollar Tree finds. Now I may record in the store, I may not, depending on how many people are in here, because I just want to get in here, look, see what I got here. Then I will update you guys on what I find, but I'm mainly going in here for possibly some Valentine's stuff. Definitely, hopefully finding new hidden gems like in the makeup department. And yeah, we'll see what we find. Alright, I don't know if you guys have heard the rumor, but on my other Instagram, I think it's my Wreath About It Instagram, I was talking to you guys when I was doing a crafting haul, and I was literally just waiting for when they switched over to the $1.25 rumor. I've like posted little signs here and there, and you don't see it, but everything is literally $1.25 now. I'm super excited to show you guys all of this new stuff. So this is gonna be a Dollar Tree haul, and it's also going to be a little bit of a Dollar General haul as well, because I found some new stuff there. Don't know if it's new to the beauty community, but it is definitely new to me. Alright guys, so as you've seen me waving this product around, the first item that I found was this little really cute metal tin can that I think is adorable DIY for like your boyfriend or your girlfriend, whoever it may be. But this is super cute detailing around the edges, has good seal, but I thought that was really cute for $1.25. And then also I seen at Dollar Tree, now I only got one of these, but this is a super cute little detailed rectangle basket that I think is pretty durable for anything, but they're in pastel colors. It's like a coral, a light pink, and then also there is a really light gray that is super cute. Like the light gray, I totally thought like farmhouse ideas. You guys know that Dollar Tree always carries some decent tissue paper around the holidays, so this is Valentine's kind, and I really liked it because it was like super cute cursive, Happy Valentine's Day. There was this really cute wooden decor sign that was X's and O's, and it had like this metal detailing, and I thought this would be so cute right back there in my background. Okay, so the next few things that I found is these glue dots. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these at Dollar Tree, but they are a really great product. They are awesome for like doing scrapbooking, putting photos into an album. For an example, I use these for my sister's baby shower for the balloon arch, because I couldn't get the balloons to like really form the right way with just the string balloon arch. So I went ahead and I stuck these on some of the balloons and then stuck the other balloon to it. These worked great for that. So, and then of course they have these cute little notebooks that I think are adorable. This is a perfect size for me to keep in my purse for like logging what I'm eating or stuff for YouTube or ideas for you guys. And it is a lined, I think it's like wide rule. Are these little things here. This is also from the company Jot, and these are these little magnetic tin cans for two. So I don't know if you guys can see very well because there's a glare, but I take it out. It's like this little lid, and it has like this magneticness on the back. Magneticness? Is that a word? And then of course I had to go and I had to get, I know I'm rattling like crazy, but for this idea I went ahead and got some of me and John's favorite sour candy. This is the Laffy Taffy, and I love these, and I think it's a great deal for $1.25. And then I also got these sour belts. They're the rainbow berry flavor. They're like little sour sugar things on them. I know these are horrible for your teeth, but I love sour candy. It's one of my favorite types of candy. And jump into the makeup part of this video. So there is some new, like, y'all, I'm telling you, there is some new makeup at Dollar Tree. And I think they are getting better at their game. But we will test that out in the next video that I do for Dollar Tree. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget. But I found a brow pencil in dark blonde Now, I have a hard time finding a lot of shades for like my hair color or like my skin color, just because there's a lot of tanner shades there at Dollar Tree. There's not like a bunch of varieties. And this is some lip oil that I found that is scented in warm vanilla. Perfectly kissable and oh so smooth lips pucker up for that special lover's kiss. And this is by Color Mate, and I'm super excited to try it. It's also cruelty free. This was in the Valentine section, so. And then also I found, the next product that I found at Dollar Tree was this angled eyeliner brush from Wet n Wild. They have a bunch of brushes starting to come to Dollar Tree from Wet n Wild. So I have actually a few of them already. Let me see if I can find any. Yeah, I have these two from Dollar Tree already from Wet n Wild, and I think they are great. They work awesome. And the bristles are like super soft. Alright guys, so then on top of everything, going to nails real quick, I found this super cute color. And plus, it's gel. Like, I've never seen gel fingernail polish at Dollar Tree. If y'all have, let me know in the comments below. So, yeah. This is in color, I really don't know, but it's like this pretty mauvey spring purpley color. I thought it was really pretty. And it's by Kiss. So like, that's a steal. Alright guys, so the next product that I found at Dollar Tree, which is new, this is the new Wet n Wild Mega Last Concealer. And I got this in shade Sandcastle. So I know this is probably way too dark for my skin tone color for a concealer, but it isn't too dark for a cream contour shade, so I will let you guys know a little bit more. I'm super excited to film that next video, so. Alright guys, and then we've got this big bag here of goodies. Alright, so staying on the topic of makeup, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the rest of this. So this is a shadow switching sponge. It's basically a makeup cleanser sponge that you can just quickly clean your makeup brushes with. And yeah, so I mean, there's not much detailing to it, but it's from Sassy and Chic. But jumping over to the next product, we have this finishing face spray, and this is from Ion Beauty, and I am super stoked to try this. Like, it's a finishing spray, guys. Like, is this really? I just gotta get it out. I can't resist. I wonder if it sprays good. Look at that mist. And it doesn't smell very bad. It gives a really good spray. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think I mentioned this in my last Dollar Tree haul, but this is from Sassy and Chic as well, and it's kind of like a rubber spatula to apply face masks. I lost my last one, and I could not find it for one of my last videos, but I love these, so I went ahead and grabbed another one. They come in like blue, purple, pink, and I think teal. I could be wrong, but there's like 3 or 4 colors in those. So the next thing I have here is this cute little bag. It is a silk little cloth bag, and it is in my favorite print. Y'all already know, cheetah. And this is also from Sassy and Chic. It's like a little cosmetics bag, but I always need like these little bags for when I'm traveling. And it's got a lining on the inside for like any makeup leakage, so that's a big plus. I was like 4. Alright guys, and then I have never had good lashes at my Dollar Tree. I don't know about y'all. These lashes are from LA Colors, and they are the Diva ones, and I super like them. Like, look how wispy those are. And the band is like not thick at all. I know it's not, take that back, it's a clear band, y'all. The next thing that I found is this face highlight here from Ion. This is the Face Highlight Glow, and I got this in 2 shades actually. Yeah, I got this in 2 shades. I got one for the face and bronzer, and it's called Golden Glow, and it's super pretty. And then I also got this one, which is just like the face highlight from Ion. And then I went ahead and got also from the Ion collection. I don't know how long this is going to last in Dollar Tree, so if you guys want to go ahead and just jump on this real quick, I definitely would. But this is the Dramatic Black Mascara, And I hear there is great reviews from this, you guys. And then one more product from Ion. I believe this is, nope, just kidding. It's not the last one. So this is the Face Hydrating Primer from Ion as well. I have never seen a primer at any Dollar Tree ever. And I found one at Dollar Tree the other day. A primer. I wonder if this is any good. I have this Ion Liquid Felt Tip Eyeliner from Ion, and it's super compactable. I really like that about this little tube here. And I'm not a liquid eyeliner person, but I thought I'd grab it and try it out. This Wet n Wild Omega Last lipstick, and it is a matte lipstick, you guys. I am super excited to try this. And it's like, look at the packaging. It's got a cute little magnetic lip, like right here. Magnetic metallic. Look at that shade, guys. Oh my god. That is rich. Oh my gosh, I love it. But that is super cute. Alright, so the next thing I found was this really cute velvet, easy to go headband, guys. Like, it's super soft. There is several. Like, look how cute that is. This is totally a fashion this past Christmas that I seen myself, and also for New Year's, but I literally wear black all the time, and I thought this was a cute accessory piece. Like, oh my god. Look how cute that is. And it's not very tight on my head. I really like that. That's super cute. Alright guys, and then from Sassy and Chic as well, we have this lip scrubber. This was also a new item that I've seen in Dollar Tree that I've not seen anywhere else. It's got like these little exfoliator tips right on the end of this brush. So I guess it's to like exfoliate off your lipstick or exfoliate your lips from the dead skin cells, stuff like that. And then also jumping into the next thing for hair was this. You guys know I'm obsessed with scrunchies at Dollar Tree, so go ahead and get ready. But this is a super cute detailed hair scrunchie, and it has these little tails that I like from there that they have from Dollar Tree. I think these tail scrunchies are super cute, and I think it's super classy looking. Alright guys, so this is the Dollar General part. If you're not interested in this part of the video, go ahead and I will see you guys later. But if you are staying for the Dollar General part, then go ahead and keep watching. But I got some few goodies from there as well. So the first things first, I found this product called, and I believe it came like out in 2019, but it's called Believe Beauty, and it's the Dollar General makeup line is what I'm understanding. I had to just go ahead and try these out. These are the Believe Beauty Goddess Finish False Lashes. Look at how stunning those are. They look so fluffy. And I will have to let you guys know how much all this is in the description box below. And also I may be able to put the price up here in the video. Alright, so the next thing that I have is this foundation from LA Colors. And I got it in shade Porcelain. And it says Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. So I cannot wait to try one of these out. And then the next thing that we have is this Brow Defining Pencil. It comes with a spoolie on this end. And it's also, the pencil is on this end. It's literally a pencil. It's not like a twist or anything. And I got this in shade Blonde. Alright, and then of course I also got the Believe Concealer from Dollar General and their brand, makeup line brand. And I also got this in shade Ivory. So I also picked up this foundation from the Dollar Tree line. It is called Believe Beauty Delicate Ivory. Alright guys, so that is all for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree and Dollar General haul, and also all of the new makeup products that they are coming out with, as well as all of the new exciting stuff that we can try together later on. But and give it a big thumbs up, and also go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell for any of my future upload notifications. So